One of the most amazing things about Melbourne is its layers. It's one of those places where you can truly experience so many cultures, neighbourhoods, expressions. It's like travelling the world in your own hometown. I think that if you work with the best foundations, the cleanest canvas, you can create whatever you like. For me, bread is one of those simple pleasures in life. And if the bread is benchmarked, there's no better way to start a meal. We have a great partnership with the team at Baker Blue. They bring another layer of quality to what we do in the restaurant. As a kid growing up in Melbourne, I was always fascinated by our markets. Now, as an adult, I feed off the energy that the market brings. The vibrancy, the opportunity to discover something new, and there's always something to talk about. Anthony and his team at Maker and Munga has curated our cheese offering in our restaurants. Cheese is one of my passions. I love coming here with our kids. It's our weekend ritual to come here for a toasted sandwich together and just hang out in the market. Art and design have always been an escape for me. To be able to take a moment and be transported to a new world right in the heart of Melbourne at the NGV is something I truly cherish. For me, a lot of my ideas and influences are linked back to art. I think it's a great reminder to constantly look at the world from different perspectives and constantly challenge your thinking. I think Melbourne has this amazing contrast of old and new, be it through architecture, restaurants, or even many of our amazing boutiques and laneways. Fitzroy and Gertrude Street has always had a special place in my heart. Living and working here for over 10 years and establishing the Builder's Arms, Marion Wine Bar and Cutler & Co here. It has been so special to see this area evolve and flourish. Chibi is such a special place. Meg and Zenta have such a great eye for food and design, and the ambience is perfect. It's also a great place to buy unique gifts. When the opportunity presented to create a restaurant at Cavendish House, it was a wow moment. I'd always admired this building for its presence, incredible details, and soaring ceilings. Gimlet was inspired by the energy found in the great old world restaurants of New York and Paris. It has been amazing to see the Melbourne community embrace our new offering, and I'm so thrilled that Gimlet is now a part of that. For me, dining out is a form of escapism, and Gimlet is our opportunity to take people away. I'm Andrew McConnell, Melbourne chef and restaurateur.